Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Intercom Fin AI for customer support automation. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Intercom account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section found in the bottom left corner of the interface. In the settings menu, look for the apps option and click on it. Next, search for Fin AI in the apps marketplace. Click on the Fin AI app to open its details page. Review the information to understand its features and capabilities. Now, click on the Install App button to add Fin AI to your account. After installation, you will be directed to the configuration page for Fin AI. On this page, follow the prompts to connect the app to your customer support workflows. You may be required to grant certain permissions for Fin AI to function effectively. Take a moment to review the setup options available. Configure the desired parameters for how Fin AI will handle customer inquiries. Make sure to train Fin AI by inputting common customer questions and responses. Test the integration by initiating a mock customer interaction. Observe how Fin AI responds to the queries you have programmed. Adjust the response patterns as necessary based on your testing. Once satisfied with the performance, finalize the setup. Now, monitor the customer interactions handled by Fin AI over the next few days. Gather feedback from your team about Fin AI's performance. Evaluate any areas for improvement based on customer interactions. Continue to optimize the settings to better align with your customer support goals. Regularly review updates and new features released for Fin AI to enhance its functionality. This will ensure that your customer support automation remains effective and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.